Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You need an app and an active Google account. Sign into AdMob and verify identity so payments flow. Now, choose your platform, Android or iOS, and publish a minimal store listing so the app is searchable. Once done, integrate the Google Mobile Ads SDK into your code, then create App ID and Ad Unit ID in AdMob. This gives you the identifiers to request ads. Make sure to test with test ads first. That prevents policy violations early on. You now implement chosen ad formats: banner for steady views, interstitial for natural breaks, rewarded for engagement. Pick what fits your UX. Then set up mediation to increase fill rate and eCPM by cascading networks. Ad frequency caps to avoid ad fatigue. Once live, instrument analytics events and run a /B tests to iterate on placement and timing. Monitor RPM, retention, and session length to see why revenue changes. Adjust ad density based on user behavior and lifetime value. To scale revenue, drive users with ASO, paid UA, or cross-promo, and watch CAC versus LTV so growth remains profitable. Make sure payments, tax info, and payout thresholds are set in AdMob. Non-compliance blocks funds. If revenue stalls, first check ads. TXT and that your SDK and adapters are up to date. Outdated code reduces demand. Also review ad inventory, placement, and eCPM. Sometimes a small layout change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.